A well-structured daily routine in the early years foundation stage provides young children with a sense of security and consistency. Each day typically begins with a warm welcome and registration. This is followed by assembly where they sing national anthem, share news and warm up for the day. The first session every day begins with phonics where children learn the sounds of the letters, blend and read words. They are encouraged to read and write sentences. Snack time offers a chance to practice social and self-care skills, promoting healthy eating habits. The day includes a balance of adult-led and child-initiated learning through play, both indoors and outdoors, promoting key development areas such as communication, physical skills, and early literacy and numeracy. We also have other subjects like art, PE, music, and Arabic. In the early years, PE, art, and music lessons play a vital role in supporting children's physical, creative, and emotional development. The day ends with reflection time where children review what they have learned and prepare to go home, fostering a sense of achievement and routine. We also have the afternoon enrichment learning program where children are engaged with activities like dance, art and craft, storytelling, role play, etc. At Hampton Heights, we believe in play-based learning where children learn, laugh and grow.